In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and using this icon of a sun at the bottom right corner, right next to brightness slider. If the icon is blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same icon. You can also go into settings, click on display and brightness, and use the switcher next to auto brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!